How do you solve an equation using multiplication? Let's take a look at this one. So my goal when I am solving an equation is to isolate the variable or get it all by itself. Now in this equation, my variable k is being divided by a 3. And that negative on the front, I can kind of stick with the 3 and rewrite it as k divided by a negative 3. Just makes things a little bit easier. So I'm going to look at this as k divided by a negative 3, and I get negative 4. Now, if I want to undo division, I need to use the inverse operation of division, which would be to multiply. So if I have k divided by negative 3, then if I want to cancel that out, I need to multiply this whole side by negative 3. When you're multiplying everything on that side by the number. So on the right, I have to do the same thing to keep things balanced. So I'm multiplying by negative 3. Now on the left, this is really negative 3 over 1. So what happens is I have a negative 3 in the numerator and in the denominator, so they cancel each other out. And what I'm left with is k on top and a 1 on the bottom. But if you have a 1 on the bottom, we don't have to write it. So this is really just k equals, and on the right-hand side, negative 4 times negative 3, that gives me 12. Now, of course, I always want to check my answer, make sure that we're totally good to go. So I'm going to take this 12 and put it back into my original equation. Negative k over 3 is negative 4. So what I'm saying is that I should have negative 12 over 3, and that should give me negative 4. Well, on the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and do that math. Negative 12 over 3 is negative 4. On the right-hand side, I have a negative 4. That's a true statement. So everything checks out, and I can confidently box my answer. K is 12. So that is an example of solving an equation using multiplication. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.